Hey, what's up guys, I hope you're all feeling well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out that update. So for this update you just have to simply go into the settings of your device, and after going into the settings scroll down and tap on software update. From here tap on check for updates. There is a new May update available for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The last update that I got was of 5th April 2026. But now finally there is a new May update available that you guys might be missing out. If we talk about the update size, so it is around 560 MBs in size. Simply tap on update to first of all download the update, and once the update is downloaded, you just have to simply install it on your device. If we talk about the new features, so it is a security update with some bug fixes. So it will improve the security of your device, and if there were some bugs or issues, that will be resolved with this new update. Once the update is downloaded, you will get to see this option of restart now to complete the installation process, but make sure to install it when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your phone during this installation process. So make sure to install it when your device is completely free. And once the update is downloaded and installed, you're good to go. And if you talk about the Galaxy Store updates, so there are some 2 new app updates available that you guys can check out as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some new updates available with the Galaxy S26 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. Let me know in the comment section that have you got this update on your device or not yet. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.